Hi and welcome back to another episode of Monday Makers, the makers who make things not only on Monday. Today we are going to talk about YouTube. Personally, I learned almost everything I know from watching other people on YouTube.
Yeah, me too.
So we wanted to show you some of the channels that we love. So you see, what we watch, and maybe you'll get you inspired to watch them as well. Bad text. So we want to give back to those YouTubers who we learned from and show their channels and talk about what we like about them. So let's dive into it.
Yeah.
Press the button. So something I love watching is wood turning. It's one of my favorite things. Before I go to sleep, when I'm in the bathroom, wood turning is the thing.
What are you doing in the bathroom?
This guy, for example, Frank Howarth.
Hi.
He makes globes that are just incredible. Love the mess. I love to see how you take this raw piece of wood and turn it into a beautiful circular shape. When I retire, wood turning will be my thing.
It's not that useful, but it's nice.
Moving rapidly along. So Lepkin, you want to show us somebody you like to watch?
First one I chose is Alexander Chappell. He's doing all the stuff that basically I'm doing, a lot of 3D printing and laser cutting, and he just got a big CNC machine that I've ordered one as well. The thing that I like about him is that he always shows how to make the job easier. It's like making all sorts of jigs and tools that help the shop be more organized or do the job easier.
Today we're building something that is super useful in any woodworking shop.
This video is trying to make a 3D CNC chair only using the CNC.
It sure looks like a chair.
And he's done all sorts of tries and...
Well, we bent it all right, but just like I feared, there are some cracks on the outside here.
He's always trying new stuff and doesn't give up. So that's basically what a maker should be. Doesn't give up here.
So, since you lasted so long in the video, you're gonna get to learn where I learn all my secrets, all my geeky secrets. So there's this Austrian guy.
Here is the guy with the Swiss accent.
Andreas Speis or something. I'm not sure how to pronounce your name. Sorry, man, if you're watching this. Wow. I learned from him things that are related to deep electronic hardware tech. He knows all the components and all the processors and all their ins and outs. So for example, when I wanted to work on the smart button, where I had to have very low power consumption, I learned all the tricks from him. I had to optimize the usage of the controller and all the different parts. It dives really deep into the spec of the tech devices, and he's very thorough. Gives you graphs and examples and shows you all the ins and outs. When I need something, that's done very well and or to fully exploit electronic part, then I'll watch this video to learn more about it. Very cool, very insightful.
Remember, if you subscribe, you will always sit in the first row.
This guy is called Uri Tuchman.
How's it going, my friends?
I believe he's Israeli, but he lives in Germany. He's like a true Renaissance artist. He does metalwork and woodworking, and he's a painter, and actually does everything. And he does everything by hand. Almost no tools, except for a lathe that he built himself. He's doing just crazy stuff. He's really gifted. He can do metal gears, all done by hand, automatas and whatever, really crazy ideas and execution.
Is there anything specific that you like that he made?
Yeah, so basically what we're watching is really crazy because he's doing gears by hand. So in a million years I would never be able to do gears by hand, and he's just filing it teeth after teeth, tooth. He's filing it tooth after tooth by hand, and afterwards everything works. So that's great.
That's amazing.
And it's gonna be
Super simple, of course.
And we can't end this video without mentioning Michael Reeves, who we both love. Awesome stuff, ridiculously funny.
Ooga booga, caveman brain idea. We don't need the computer to understand that this is a cup. All we need is for it to see all the brightest pixels in the image.
It's always funny, but there's a lot of like really smart tech there. There's always a lot of technology that, I mean, it's not trivial at all. So, I mean, we put the fun aside and you look at the tech, it's truly interesting stuff.
So I wrote this code that generates a mask of the brightest pixels on the screen, and then it literally just averages their position.
For example, here I took Spot, a Boston Dynamics robotic dog, and made it pee into a beer cup.
You put it on the ground and you just back away.
No way! Oh my god!
Yeah! And then you just grab,
Oh my god!
no!
Yeah, that sums it up.
So thanks for joining us in this episode where we watch people videos and react to them, and maybe next time we'll watch people reacting to videos and react to those reactions. So we're going to add to the description of this video links to all the channels that we mentioned in this video. If you also have channels that you like and like to share with us, please write them in the comments below. We'll love to learn what you guys like. So don't forget to join us to our next video. Subscribe and like and send us some love.